Hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you a very great strategy to trade crash and boom. Don't skip this video guys, cause you won't want to miss out. So let's hit the nail on the wall. This video guys, the strategy for crash and boom. The strategy for crash and boom guys is very powerful. Just make sure you take proper concentration on this video so you will grab it, because a lot of people are making money from the strategy. You can see good comments of people making money with the strategy. You can see is about to buy a car using the strategy guys. So start making money too. Don't be left behind. Okay, time up. Let's hit the nail. So guys, this is what I want to show you. First of all, let me look at the I want to address an issue guys. It's happening currently on crash 500. For those of you that know about this strategy, you can see this long uptrend guys. This is the same reason I'm always saying learn price action. This is why you just need price action, because of this long trend, because we are catching spike with this strategy guys. We are catching spike, we are selling crash, and we are buying boom using our amazing strategy. So in order not to be kicked out of the market, you have to understand a little bit of price action. I will show you everything on this video, so please just stay tuned and watch carefully. If you obey the rules of this strategy guys, you'll be marvelous using the strategy, because you excel winning. Okay, before we get started, I will just quickly let you know guys that we are trading right now on Deriv MT5. If you don't have an account, quickly click on the link at the description below to open an account so you can start trading with us. We'll drop strategies to teach you how you can trade. Yes guys, so click on the link and open an account to start trading. You can subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. Click on this notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. Okay guys, give this video a thumbs up. So I start right away. So to set your indicators for this strategy, it works for crash 1000, boom 1000, and crash 500 and boom 500. Yes, so you set your time frame on the it works for 1 minute time frame guys. 1 minute time frame, that's what you use the strategy, and the third zoom level. I repeat, the third zoom level. Okay, setting the indicators for this strategy, you take it first. The first indicator, you go for the commodity channel index, the period 14, just as I'm doing it on my screen. Apply to typical price. The levels, let me set them so I can show it will be very easy for you guys. The levels, you need to set the -100 and the +100 level. We got the 100 and the -100. Simple as that guys, simple as this. Then you click done guys. We don't need this for this indicator, commodity channel index. For the levels, we don't need a color. The color don't need to show that much, so you can just make it a little bit like the color of your screen. So if you are using a white screen, just make it ash so you just know it a little, because what that color indicates is just the 100 level, which will serve as the overbought level, and the -100 level, which will serve as the oversold level. Yes guys, please don't skip this video. Because this is going to change your life. This is going to change your trading life, and you start making money. Trust me on this. So the next thing you go for is a moving average on indicator window 1. Please don't go close to this indicator, this main window. No, you're looking at the indicator window 1. Then you go for the moving average. Again, you set your period on period 10. You can take a screenshot so you can set them later. Shift 0, the method simple, the apply to close, just as on my screen. The style, let's take red and 4 pixels there. You click save and you click done. Good as that guys, good as this. The last indicator is the market facilitation index, which we get at the bottom of the indicators list. So the volume, you take it on tick, the MFI up, you can see the styles MFI up, you take it green, black, black, and green. As you can see on my screen, you click done. Guys, these are all the indicators we need for this strategy, for this amazing strategy. Like I said earlier, set your zoom level on the third zoom level. Okay, we're good to go. So how the strategy works is, guys, remember I said for crash, we are selling crash and we are buying boom. Using this strategy, we are selling crash and we're buying boom. Okay, this is what you need to watch out for. You watch out for the red moving average to cross above the green line, this green line. Yeah, you watch out for the red moving average to cross above this green CCI line, then you get a spike. Remember, at the above the 100 level, which is the overbought. At the overbought level, as the red moving average cross above the green CCI line, you will get a spike. Is that clear, guys? Please take this seriously. Okay, again, at this point, it happened. The red moving average crossed above the green CCI line. At the overbought level, we got a spike. This is the reason I'm saying at the overbought level. Look, it crossed above, below the overbought level, but look at the spike we got. You can see the spike we got here. You can see. So you ignore this. You ignore this. Only follow the rules of the strategy at the overbought level. Those are the two conditions you need. Red moving average crossing above the green at the overbought level. Look, we got the spike. You can see, guys, the strategy is very powerful. It's super powerful, guys. You can make money catching spike. You use good lot size, catch spikes, make money instantly, guys. It's not hard. You can make thousands a day. You can make $1,000 a day, $2,000 daily with this strategy. Just wait for the condition. I mean, you have four different guys, you have 4 different commodities to trade. Yeah, 4 different indices. Sorry, you have 4 different indices to trade, which are crash 500 and 1000, then boom 500 and boom 1000. So you just start looking for opportunities from them, guys. It's super good. Okay, at this point again, the red moving average crossed above the green line at the overbought level. Look at what we got, guys. A spike again. Once the condition is met, you get the spike. So let me move you down to boom 1000 index. You also see it also work here, guys. Okay, boom 1000 index right now, it crosses below. Okay, we are doing the inverse of crash. So for the boom right now, we're looking at buying, catching spike to the upside. So therefore, we look at for the red moving average to cross below the green line at the oversold level, then we place a buy. As simple as that, guys. You will make money with it to the glory of God, guys. Yeah, you can't be feeding the broker. Okay, again, at this point, the red moving average crossed below. You can see below, but not at the oversold level. Look at the spike it gave us. But at this point, when it crossed below the oversold level, it gave us a spike. It gave us a spike. You can see, guys. Okay, we're expecting a spike right now on boom 1000 index, seeing this market structure. If you see this kind of thing, guys, look, it crossed below and it's about to cross again. So all you need right now is just a little bit patient for this red moving average, guys. Please watch this carefully for this red moving average to cross below the green, and then we get a spike. Seeing the 5-minute time frame, guys, we are expecting the spike. Checking 15, you can see a support level at this point, which is likely to push this market back to the upside. A support level here that is likely to push this market back to the upside. This is the simple strategy, guys. Very simple strategy. But hold on, don't skip the video, don't go off yet until I show you on boom 500 and crash 500. Okay, for boom 500, guys, the same concept in boom 1000. Look at for the strategy for the red moving average to cross below the green line at the oversold level to get a spike. Yeah, so the function of this market facilitation index, guys, the black and the green. Okay, I'll let you know that the black bar indicates another spike, that there is going to be another spike. That is what this black bar indicates, guys. Look at this point. It indicates another spike, and the market came and gave us another spike. You can see again the black bar indicated another spike and it gave, but note this works, it works more effective on crash 500, which we are going to right now. So on crash 500, guys, it works more effective. I'm going to show you something you should know about this long uptrend that won't give you the spike on time. I'm coming, guys, but let me first explain the strategy on crash 500. So crash 500, we're looking at for the up movement of the red moving average, looking at for the red moving average to cross above the green line and then give us a spike. Okay, let's check it out. At this point, you can see guys, it crossed above, it gives a spike, crossing above, giving us a spike. Okay, like I said, for the crash 500 right now, you can see, checking this place, guys, it has crossed above, which we are supposed to get a spike, but we are not getting a spike yet. I'll make you understand that. You can see, if you had waited, you'll be in huge loss now. Okay, like I said, always, guys, always move your screen. You pinch your screen. Okay, it doesn't work for iPhone, but for Android users, you can pinch your screen, move it to the middle side. You will notice that this intersection of the red moving average and the green moving average is far from each other, but that is not going to be a problem for iPhone users. All you need to do is go to your 5-minute time frame, move to a higher time frame like the 5-minute time frame. Look, we are expecting a spike right now on crash 500. Yeah, we're expecting a spike. Okay, so now you can see a massive uptrend to the upside on crash 500 index. Look, this is the idea I'm talking about. Good, guys, you can see this. We got that spike. I told just now that we're expecting a spike. What triggered this spike? What triggered the spike? That is what you need to understand now. What triggered this spike is simple thing. I'm always saying price action. This is a support level at this point. That is a support level. Look, let me mark it out. This. And we're still expecting more spikes. Okay, good. Guys, this is a support level. You can see the support level has B. No, sorry, it's a resistant level. Sorry, guys. So this is a resistant level at this point. You know, it was a support became resistance right now. You can get that, guys. So this resistant level had to pull this market back to the downside. So it pushed the market down to the downside. So spotting resistance and support level and using it as a spike arena. You understand? Using it as an area for catching spikes together with the spike catching strategy, then guys, you will hardly have a loss in trading crash and boom with this strategy. So now I just said, guys, we are expecting a spike because I saw this resistant level that it's going to push this market to the downside. So the market came here, it pushed. You can see it's a very strong resistant level. It's a very strong one at this, guys. It's a very strong resistant level starting from this point. You can see it pushed this market. The market was coming to the downside. Pushed it back again, the same resistant level, pushed it back before the market broke through, and now coming to break to the upside again. It still push it down, guys. So this is things you guys to note. You need to note these things down, guys, because they are very, very important. So like I said, if you were to trade this 1-minute time frame, you just simply go to your 5-minute time frame and spot at any support or resistant level to catch a spike on. As simple as that, guys. This is crash and boom strategy. It is very, very powerful. You can trade with it. More spikes is coming because the market is going to start a downtrend right now. You're going to start a downtrend, then you can catch more spikes. So going back, so guys, this is our strategy. Like I said earlier, we are going to expect a spike for boom 1000, and you can see the spike. This is it. This is the spike. I told you that we're expecting the spike. If you can remember, I said it crossed below, and then it gave a spike. You see this, guys. So it's a very simple strategy. I didn't enter any trade right now, and definitely I'll be doing that soon on more videos. You can check out all other videos on our channel showing you how to trade crash and boom. We don't change strategies, guys, but I'm gonna bring a new strategy for crash and boom. Just hold on, guys, it's coming. But this strategy, guys, it's the best. It's the best for crash and boom. So guys, click on the link at the description to open an account. For those of you that are new here, click on the link to open an account and start trading what we are trading, crash and boom. You can only find crash and boom on Deriv. So the link is at the description below, so you can trade volatilities index, step index, crash and boom index, and also jump index, range breakers. You can also start trading them. We got the strategy for you guys. Our strategists, watch out other videos on crash and boom strategy, step index and volatility index strategy. They are all at the description below. So if you want to join our Telegram group, we drop signals. Join the group. The link is at the description below. You can message me directly from the Telegram group. Yeah, we're there to keep you updated, guys. Also follow us on Instagram if you have questions or if you want to talk to me. We are on Instagram, so talk to us there. We got you back, guys. We are there for you. So make sure you open an account if you don't have an account using the link, guys, and drop good comment. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to your friends and loved ones. Forex Success got you, guys. Forex Success is here for you. I showed you the strategy with proofs, guys. With proofs, you can see this spike occurred while we were checking on crash 500, and you can see this spike also on crash 500 using this amazing strategy for crash and boom. Thanks once again, guys, and we love you all from Forex Success. Hit that the notification bell and smash the subscribe button so that you will be notified when we drop a new video, because you won't want to miss out our videos. You won't want to miss out our videos, guys. So if you want to trade currency pairs, we also have a link for that. Our recommended broker, it's at the description below. So click on the link to open an account with either of the two recommended broker for currencies, metals and commodities. But if you want to trade synthetic indices, which are step index, crash and booms, it's all in on Deriv. The link is at the description also. So thank you, guys, and we love you.